What's going on, everyone? Got another hard reset. Today we're going to do a Realme C12. Not a very common phone, but if you got one of these and you need to do a hard reset on it because you forgot your pattern or password, I'll show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on here, it will be deleted. And if you guys could like, share, comment, follow, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, let's get right into it. Make sure the phone's turned off. In this case, it is. Get your volume up, volume down, and power. What you want to do is hold the volume down and power at the same time. I'm going to hold volume down first, and then hit power. With this phone, once it turns on, you can let go of power. I hold the volume down just a little bit longer, but you can see in this bottom corner, it's easy to miss, that it's loading into recovery mode. So it does take a minute. I'll just set it down for a second while it loads to actually get into the menu. There it is. And you can, on this device, you can use touch or you can use the volume and power buttons. I'm gonna try to use some touch. So we select English, then we go to wipe data factory reset, or just say wipe data. And then you have two options on which way you want to wipe data. I will format all the data. And it's gonna ask you for a passcode to type in to confirm. So if your touchscreen doesn't work, you're not going to be able to do a hard reset on this phone. So unfortunately, but there you go. Doing the hard reset, it's erasing. It's going to load back to the screen to say what you want to do next, and it should restart. There you go. Boom. Man, that is how we do a hard reset on a Realme C12. Once again, guys, if you have any questions, comments, we'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, if you could like, share, comment, and all that other great stuff, we'd appreciate that as well. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.